Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day in Barcelona. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we committed people for content are going to get some clicks so that all those touristic attractions are not crowded and we find the place to ourselves. So we woke up early, got ready, and we were walking towards those spots which we kind of saw yesterday but couldn't get the right clicks. I'm excited. Sun has just risen. It's quite beautiful in the morning. It's very peaceful and quiet. Surprisingly, not many people are there on the road, and the city looks even more pretty early in this morning. I mean, I won't call it early morning because I think it must be what 7:30. Another small thing is that here in the cafes, if you ask for water, they will give you a glass of water and it's for free. Most of the time, the restaurants and the cafes here will have like a jar of water placed somewhere at their table or the serving table, and you might just help yourself with water. So that's another different thing as compared to Dubai, where the water is chargeable. I mean, I think the reason why it's just easily available is that because here you can even drink tap water, from the fountains you can drink water and fill up your water bottle. If you're enjoying my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, those blue buses right there are basically airport shuttles, the most economical way to get to the airport from the main city, because the cabs here in Barcelona are really expensive. But if you're feeling a little fancy, be my guest and take those expensive taxis. Guys, living with this man, I don't miss my hostel life. You know why? Because living with him feels like I'm staying in a hostel, but not just hostel, boarding school. Really, the amount of, I don't know, scolding I get in a day, I really don't miss studying at a boarding school because he's compensating for it. So we are going to the cathedral to get some pictures and content, because apparently, or we are just hoping, there'll be less people in the morning rather than how many they were yesterday. So yeah, let's see if we are able to get some good clicks there. पीछे सनराइज हो रहा है, कितना सही लग, ओहो किसी का शूट ऑलरेडी हो रहा है वहाँ पे. was quite a productive morning for us because we wanted to take some really good pictures and videos at the places which are really famous here and quite Instagrammable, and we wanted to see those places in peace without many people, and that's what actually happened. So I'm quite satisfied with today's morning plan, and getting up early and getting dressed was worth it, I think. What do you think, Akshat? All he had to do was click.
Yes. I'm a slave.
So guys, the plan is to head back to the accommodation. We'll chill there for a bit because most of the places open at 9:30 and it's still 8:43. And yeah, I mean, it's quite, peaceful right now because, as I said, not many people are on the road, not many things are open. So we'll just go to the room, chill, and go out for breakfast. So guys, we just got done with an amazing brunch at a place called Honest Greens. If you're seeing my stories on Instagram, then you might have seen that we had food at the same place in Portugal as well, and we loved it so much that we came back to the same place, a different branch in Spain. Well, the food is great. Most of it is vegan. They also have the other options as well, vegetarian and non-vegetarian, but mostly it's all green because it's called Honestly Green. And I love the food. Being a non-vegan, I was just surprised with the food because it was so yum. It's a highly recommended place. If you guys are not able to find any good place around, go to this place, you won't regret it. And yeah, now the plan is to go around the streets and explore whatever we can in the last few hours we left in hand.
Cheese chocolate.
क्या
Cheese chocolate. Tea.
क्यूट था वो.
Michelin star restaurant. Eh?
रफा जाफरा.
I don't need Google. My life is everything. Ben niet degelijk.
Eigenlijk kan ik een kaart kopen. Dan kan ik het gewoon meteen. Allee, doe dat van.
After having some amazing coffee and our yummy chocolate, no, it was Nutella cheesecake. We are walking in the Gothic quarters, which is also one of the things to do for people who plan to visit Barcelona. And I mean, you don't need to pick off anything particularly. All you have to keep doing is just walking around these lovely streets, because every single street has some form of concept store or beautiful art selling something unique, in short. So guys, we are walking on one of the most busy streets of Barcelona, which is considered to be the shopping street, where you have just both the sides. You have all the big brands for shopping: your Zara, your Parfait, your Lefties, Urban Outfitters, UCB, etc. So this is like the shopping place when you are planning to come to Barcelona.
Yes, please.
Guys, after walking a lot in the busy streets, we've decided to go for a nice dinner before we leave the country and have a good night's sleep. Our experience for the whole trip is coming to an end, and that's pretty much all for today. We'll just have a lovely dinner and call it a night, because tomorrow morning we have a flight. So I don't think there'll be much to record tomorrow. But yeah, that's all folks from my side. And if you enjoyed the video so far, do not forget to, you know what to do. Just subscribe to my channel.